Bari aha mukoro go kutongoza na no kushohoza report ya polisi eyo mwaka guhire umukuru wa polisi ya Uganda yagira ngo ebihagaro nibyoreka ngo bicendire na no buceka 10 aharigana ekinde cyagira ngo ikikozerwe ahabwe bintu bitarimwe na bimwe nagira ngo muri ebi harimo kushanga ngo aba polisi batungire okutendekwa kandi kugira ngo bagumire nibagendera aha mateka bari kuratira abari kubadumira ahamwe na no kureba ngo bakorera aha biragiro.
The annual crime report 2025 provides a comprehensive analysis of crime trends, patterns, and collective efforts of the force. It is also a tool for accountability, transparency, and strategic planning.
Ogunagira ngo eshonga eyo kushanga ngo bakatekaho umuringo ogwo kushanga ngo bine polisi aharengo regomborora naco kiresere obuhereza okwasa kwikomu bantu.
The implementation of sub-county policing model is giving the Uganda Police Force mileage over crime. This has enabled the Uganda Police Force to bring policing services closer to the communities. And I would like to note here, this is still work in progress. We are not yet fully to all the sub-counties of this country.
Nagira ngo bwahati egomborora eziri kore buceka 5 na mukaga aharigana zaherize kutunga obuhereza ari kugira ngo eki nibisha kucongerayo rero nanabiserukare nabo bagumise mu bari kora kurunji.
The existence of a strong interagency mechanism under the able leadership of the Chief of Defense Forces has enhanced effective twinning of our capabilities. I thank with gratitude all the members of the interagency.
Nagira ngo obwahati babazize kutaho enkoragana nungi na nebitongore bitarimwe na bimwe ebirimu ekitongore ekiramuzi government ya ragati ahamwe na nebitongore ebyaheru ebwakweta international partners umukwasa kureba okubakora hamwe omiringo etari emwe nemwe.
That there is a clear chain of command and control which has improved decision making. I'm confident that under my stewardship, the Uganda Police Force shall continue to improve command capabilities through trainings and mentorship at all levels.
Director wa Criminal Investigations omu report na yereka ngo ebuceka 10 na n'ubutonyeze bubiri aharigana ombi hagaro byenze ni bucendera ngo kandi ekini cyoreka ngo polisi eine chango cyeriyo nekora.
From what we reported here of 218,000 cases that were registered in 2024. Now for us in these last 4 years we see a cumulative reduction in the number of cases that are reported. And that's what we account for. This does not mean at all that we are very happy when we see some incidents which are isolated.
Bagira ngo obwahati nibaza kongera amani ho mukicondoza hamwe na no kureba ngo eshonga zone zweni zibarimesa kora babasa kuzikoraho kurunji.
In the year 2025, the Directorate of Fire and Rescue Services analyzed a report, and in that report you will look at we have the element of firefighting and the element of special operations in rescue.
Gasha kwa Ivan Yesiga ahabwa Tayari West.